My own feeling was excitement and also gratitude that it is possible to invite all the people to come to the southwestern part of Germany. And also the people in Germany are excited at the moment, and also the people from neighboring countries in Europe, because it's something very special that the Assembly will be our guest in 2021. There are so many people from different religious and confessional backgrounds who say that's great. We are very happy to do the work to prepare for the Assembly and to invite many, many people to come to Germany. We are in a close cooperation with the France partners as well as with the partners from Switzerland. And this is a triangle in Germany where the borders are close together, and at the same time it's historically a place where there was a lot of animosity, and they have been enemies for centuries, especially Germany and France. And so I think it's a symbolic place to come together there and to speak about peace and reconciliation. It will be great because it's also something of our common roots there, to come from being enemies to being friends. I think there are many people who are not delegates or advisors, but as you say, they want to come as guests, as ecumenically interested people. And we want to invite them to come, be part of this whole assembly, and also have the chance to meet people in this area, to go to special places and to experience this pilgrimage of justice and peace in the place around Karlsruhe. We are thinking about all the opportunities we have there with different confessional partners, with the Roman Catholics also. There are many ideas what we can do together during this assembly time. We hope that there will be many, many young people. I hope also in the delegations there will really a lot of young people, because we need a refreshment of the ecumenical movement, and at the same time the delegates of younger age are so important for the rest of the assembly. So I hope they will be there, and they will be a challenge also for us.